What is going on, my pimps, players, hustlers, aunties, grandmas, babies, daddies, mamas, babies, all of that good stuff? On a Saturday morning, watch a little bit of football. Want to get this video out before we get ready for Who Has the Heat today. We got Supreme Brooklyn and the Sneaker Connoisseur up in the building, along with the fam 313 Retro Queen, who's still celebrating her birthday. If y'all haven't told her happy birthday, go over there and check her out. We got PMKICKZ and we got MCFLYKOF. Also, go check out people on my feature page. You'll see it up there. You got Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Melanie Sweden, Ash Cat, Ashy Reviews, Jonah Vlogs, all that good stuff. Go check them out. Very, very dope content. And that's for myself. I'm just trying to cruise along. I've been stuck in purgatory for a little bit because I ain't been doing videos so inconsistent because we still trying to work on the Who Has the Heat. But we will and we shall get everything going. Just got to crank up the motivation wagon, right? The motivation wagon or meter, whatever you want to call it. Now, let's get into this review. Like I said, we can't always review Jordans all the time, right? So I did something a little bit different. As you can see, you got the gold swoosh, and you already see you got the Giannis Antetokounmpo logo, and I got it right. As you can see, shout out to his little brother because he already got him a ring with the Lake Show. But as you can see, these are PP personal pair, size 10.5, men 12, women Fisher colorway, black, white, off Noir, $120 suggested retail price. You see you got the QR code and all that stuff. These are on sale for $80 plus the military discount 15% off, so you do the math on that. These were dope when I first saw them. As you can see, you got the stamper ramp up there. You got your paper raper. They got some pretty dope colorways in this shoe. As you can see, I think they got green, the military green, and they got some dope ones. Like any, and you can see up there, you got this number 34. But like any person breaking out into the sneaker game, the first shoe they drop is not the greatest, but as they progress, it gets better and better. Look at that. I like this. The Zoom Freak 2. They did the swoosh a little bit different than 1. So as you can see, you got air, zoom, and these joints. They are pretty comfortable, I must say. Comfy, comfy, comfy. Like I said, the year 2020 is all about comfy, right? Underneath the bottom, love the icy blue bottom. People might hate it, but I love it. Look at that. So icy. And you can see you got Charles and Veronica. That's the parents. And of course, you're gonna have to clean this after a wear. On the toe, you got like this. I forgot what this type of material is, but you can see. Then you got nylon here, and then you got your nylon here with your breathable here, and then you got freak. So some people could take that many different ways, but I'll let y'all discuss that in the comment section below. I'm thinking about doing a lace swap on these joints to make them pop. I'm thinking of doing either a neon pink and a Volt colorway, or maybe I might do one of each shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I do both laces or one of each? Tell me what y'all think about that. As you can see, it says Air Zoom. As you can see, you got a mud guard here. You got this, and then you got white. You got a little bit of arch support here for flat feet, plantar fasciitis, all of that stuff. Like how they did the swoosh, the oversized swoosh right here. I don't think this new book, so it's more like suede. It's kind of like a rough hair suede, the short hair suede, but don't have that back booty stroke motion like we like. And you can see you got that GA Giannis Antetokounmpo logo coming around on the back. You see you got them calling themselves the Greek Freak, right? So it's etched in right there. You got the pull tab right here. I don't know what that's for. I don't know if that'll help you get the shoes on or not, but it's there. And you can see you got the stitching right here on point. Coming around on the media side, more of that air zoom, and you got the smaller one with the stitching on, which is very dope. And you got some perforated holes here for breathability. Now, coming in here as well, like I said, you got nylon on the tongue. Production date 12/23/19 to 3/31/20. You just got regular stuffing in here, and you got Giannis. Now let's take the other one out real quick, because you know him and PG, they normally have stuff, and Kyrie, they put different stuff on their shoes. You got this one like so, and this one like so. What we got, same thing. Okay, Charles and Veronica on both shoes. All right, same thing, same thing. Normally they'll have a little bit more stuff etched, but I can't see it. Maybe I can. It's really small in here. Got some other word. Okay, got Giannis. Okay, it does have some stuff in there. I don't know, y'all can see Kustas and some other stuff in there. So it is some other stuff in the house. So it is some stuff in the household. Sorry for the camera looking all crazy. So yeah, I likes it a lot. Very comfortable, light shoe. I can see people definitely balling in this shoe. Like I said, I don't know which lace swap I'm gonna do. Y'all guys let me know what you think, which one would be better. And then you also got C plus V right there with the swoosh. So that's Charles and Veronica. So they really love their parents. So shout out to their parents. So on a little meter, I would give these joints about a 4.3 out of 5. A 4.3 out of 5. Like I said, I'm willing to try something new, something different. It wouldn't be something I would always just go rock. But I likes it. I likes it a lot. But I'm just gonna give it a 4.3 because it ain't something I would just go out of my way to just keep buying the whole set of. But I like to have and try a shoe at least one. So you guys let me know in the comment suggestion below what you think about this shoe. Should I do the lace swap? Should I use it black? Or would you try to do something else? Or just be an the price is too much and it is a no-go. But again, like I said, this is the second iteration of the Zoom Freak. So feel free, comment, like, subscribe, share, and all of that good stuff. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Deuces.